All right, I'm gonna make this quick because as you can see, it's very cold outside. But I just wanted to go over a couple winter tips when taking care of your box truck or any diesel truck in general. So, one, at 15 degrees, your diesel fuel starts to gel up. And what it'll do, it'll cause issues in your fuel system and it'll prevent your truck from running. It happened to me. So, what you do is, one, in most northern states, they should have winterized fuel. I put winter fuel in my truck, it still happened. So what you do is you get an anti-gel fuel additive. All right, so what I got was this diesel fuel supplement by Power Service. So basically what you do is when you're filling up in the winter and it's gonna be cold outside, you add some of this, and this bottle right here treats 250 gallons. And it was like 18 bucks, so not a bad deal. There's a bunch of other brands that make this. I've heard a lot of good things about Hot Shot brand as well. And then, so if your fuel does gel up, then you want to use the 911 version. And this is basically, you'll take some of this, pour it in your tank, and you're going to pour some of this in your fuel filter as well. So your fuel filter has a cap right here. You take this off, pour a splash in this. It'll help the diesel go back to liquid form, basically. And then if this gets full, you want to drain this. This should never be full. So basically, this is your water fuel separator filter. All the water is going to sit at the bottom. Okay, when you get too much water in it, the diesel is going to sit up to the top and it'll cause problems. So there's a drain right here. Open this drain up, drain all the water out, and then don't let this fuel level get below this ring right here, because then you'll have to reprime the engine. It'll be hard to get it to start. As long as you got enough fuel in it, the engine will still start just fine. But you're going to want to do this probably every night, or every 2 nights, depending on how cold it is, because the water is going to build up a lot faster in the winter from the condensation. And to help with that, you're going to want to keep your fuel tank completely full at night when you have the truck sitting, because the more air you have sitting in that tank, the more condensation is going to build up. Okay, so I had to finish this inside because it's just way too cold out there. But just wanted to thank everybody for subscribing and commenting on the videos and everything. And I've got a bunch of helpful links down in the description if y'all want to check those out. I'll see y'all on the next one.